Yeah. Regarding the stacked wall, so there is different kinds of wall, like a basic wall. This one is a basic wall. It, it will showcase the title here itself. And the curtain wall is like in front of stores or any other in malls also. It's a glass wall. It's a fully glass wall. Stacked wall is like in a retaining walls means the compound boundary walls, they may have foundation or footing within a wall itself. So those kind of wall is called the stack wall. Like the until from this much height to this much height, there will be separate shape or found footing will be added, and this much shape to this much shape, maybe some other wall type, and this much size to this much height there may be in different. You can see the wall here itself. You can go to wall. This is basic wall. If you scroll down, it is curtain wall, the glass, and here it is stacked wall. So here let us try this one by dragging. I mean, yeah. Now you can able to see this is a stacked wall with the different kind of wall types within a single wall itself. So we can able to edit these kind of shapes in structural format. Go to structure, go to preview. Here you can able to edit the walls with your custom sizes until height will be around 500. You can change the putting height on the front. Air will be around 1500. Maybe you can change this one using this one. Variable means depend upon this wall type, it may be automatically adjust with the balance file. If one is offset, then it will equals to 500. It will be moving this side. If you want to make this offset into towards the front side, give the negative value minus 500. It will go the front side. It will like act as an stepped wall also you can make. In some of the boundary wall, you may set like maybe around to 250. It is 250, and it can keep the same again. One above one is around minus 200. So this kind of wall you guys may see, and from the front side it will look like this. All walls will automatically adjust that. It's depend upon this is really a stacked wall kind of thing. Curtain wall is like this one. You can go to curtain wall in storefront. Let me try this one. Take it, try it. This will be the glass door kind of thing. Using curtains, we can do lots of things. Like if you want to do, I just wanted to make wall layers today. That's what we have to see now. See. This is one stamp. I'll come to the curtain walls. We'll finish the layers, adding layers in the walls. Here I drawed one wall and going to the edit type and I'm going to edit here under the structure. Here it really looks like this one. So this wall has already has lots of elements. Let me take one plain wall. Then only you can understand clearly. This one is plain wall. Clicking it, going to that structural. So there is only one wall. It's structural and it is four boundary. Okay, its thickness is 215. I want to add plaster on both sides. Plaster and plaster. Let me insert one thing and then moving it up. This is our newly created layer. First in structural and moving it up and I am changing into finishes. Finishes one, and I'm creating another one, and I'm moving down, 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 and I'm changing into the finishes. Okay. Now I can add the thickness of the finish around 19 to 19 mm this side and 19 mm this side. Now we can see plaster has been added around our walls. Now we can press OK. Both side plaster has been added to our wall. Our brick face has been settled down into the inside of the brick. Okay. This is how you can able to add or remove layers from the wall tile. You can delete also, you can want to delete also, you can delete using this delete option. I want only the exterior plaster to be used, then delete it and it will show like that. If it's structural member means the central portion and the brick area, the plaster won't be, the finishes won't be a structural element. Only the structural element will be considered as the structural material. It will be useful for the structural analysis kind of thing. And this one is the wrap, not wrap and the exterior wrap. Wrap is different. Like let me do one kind of wrap. So I'm taking this wall again. So this area was automatically trimmed and the edges has been looking fine. But here also I want to be fully finished the wrap. Like here also I want the finish to be closed. Let me try. Here I want a wrapping appearance, exterior, exterior, wrapping, press OK. See, now it got fully closed. Previously, how it's like it will be open-ended. Now it's visible. Like if you change here, like this, yeah, see, so do not wrap plus, and here also do not wrap, none, apply. See, edges now, edges were not wrapping up. Only the faces is wrapping. This is the wrapping usage. You can use the wrapping insert and wrapping ends to do the wrappings. So wrapping insert and wrapping ends. This one is the wrapping insert. Join geometry. Now it was automatically join wrapping it. So this is the wrapping purpose. So we do the wrapping, it will automatically get closed. Exterior and the exterior. Note that wrap function should be usable. Now okay. So other than wrapping, the function is that the function is always for the exterior or interior wall and if it's foundation and retaining. Retaining means it will be for the boundary wall of the site, like a compound wall, soffit of the wall, course shaft wall also it will come around the little lobby areas, it may be shaft walls, soffit slab. And materials and finishes. We'll see later on. It will be a separate topic for material and finishes. Other than that, analytical properties you are not going to work on it, and the identical data and all. It is for the just whatever the nodes or whatever the description you want to give for a wall, you can give it. It is not, it is not going to affect any of your wall. It is generally for the data for that wall, whether you can add a description. But if you add one description in edit type, like this wall you were mentioning at two-side plaster, two-side plaster the wall with wraps, and if you press OK, if you if you click this wall, if in this wall also, it will come that side, two-side plaster wall with wraps like that. It will show. That is the difference between edit type parameter and the instance parameter. If you click that wall and you can add this the same description in here in comment or anything, you say that added plastering with wrap and OK, and the same wall you can give the plastering to the comments sections here. Type comment section here. I'm mentioning it as type parameter value. So if I click here, the comment won't be visible, but the type command will be changed from description to type command, type parameter value. But the commands I placed here, it was not visible. Only if you click that exact wall, then only the command will be visible. It is the instance parameter. Instance parameter will be working on that particular element, not with the full family, with the same kind of elements in the product. If you want to reflect the same elements category or a description to all the kinds of walls involved in this project, then you can click the edit type and give the type parameter value. And this will be reflecting for the only one wall, for this wall, not this full walls will be changed with this parameter value. Only this wall 215 mm, this kind of wall, wherever this kind of wall is coming, there only this type parameter value will be coming up. This parameter kind of thing will be always working with not only the walls, with respect to the all other walls elements out there. Right. So now we'll see a bit curtain walls. Curtain wall is to generally create a wall for the glassing spaces. You can able to edit the heights by clicking the lines here, and you can edit the 2500. And if it's not working, try to unpin it. If it's showing pin, you can't able to move it. Try to unpin it and update it 2500 or 3000. Can change it like that. If you want to add another million also, you can able to add it. Try to add another million curtain grid and curtain million. So different thing is that here only mullion curtain grid is there, not the mullions is there. What is a mullion? Mullion is now here you can see only glasses is there. There is no frames involved in this glass panel. If you want the glass panel frame should be visible, you have to pick the mullion in architectural mullion, then only the frames will be visible. Wherever you want, you just click that, the frames will be visible. Now we can able to see the glass mullion. And if you want to add another row also, you can add like a curtain grid, go to curtain grid and It will ask all segment, one segment, all and except pick to one. So it has now if the name itself you can able to analyze. All segment means fully it will come. Only one segment means only one. All but anyone means anyone will become. Now I'm going with all and press escape and I'm clicking this line and I press CS for create similar and I'm pressing this one. Now the mullions have been created to the custom family. This is the cut and mullion and the walls and the joint geometry and cut geometry and we have created the walls and we have added the layers inside the walls and we have seen the wrapping about wrapping of the ends and wrapping inserts. So any other doubts you guys have regarding these things? Yeah, keynote and all in upcoming sessions will be same. Like it is used for the sheet purpose, like a tagging. Let us consider as a tagging purpose. Taggings and all, I'll let you know, guys, how to create a sheet and how to create tags and how what is a keynote. I'll let you know. Yes, no worries. So far, you guys can able to understand the classes, or you guys facing any difficulties understanding my speech or my voice is very low means on the time itself let me know, then only I can able to update it. Don't hesitate to let me know. Always reach me if you guys having any doubts and I'll try to help you guys out of it. Okay. So until then, if you guys don't have any question, we can wrap it up. I thought of showcasing the hoop. You'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow there won't be any class Sunday. And from Monday, I'll be touching it. Okay, I'm catching it. Okay, guys, fine. Thank you, everyone. Good night.